welcome to another episode of Ignited Garage. Now, this one is going to be two parts. The first part, we're going to work on the fiance's car, her daily driver, because it's chugging and misfiring. I don't know if it's misfires or what's going on. And the second part, you're going to have to watch because I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I've already got the gift card. I know what I'm doing. It's going to be a gift card. But you have to watch that part and then find out how to enter. So it's just because I hit 300 subscribers and it means a lot to me. So like I said, guys, we're gonna do the spark plugs because this thing's chugging. I don't know if it's spark plugs, the coils, the wires, something to do with the intake, I don't know, but we're gonna do this. The fiance's gonna either do it or I'm gonna do it. That is disgusting. Oh, it's fine. It just means the spark plugs, the O-ring right here, are pooched. A couple months ago, the spark plug literally ripped out of the block. So we gotta figure out if that's something to do with the spark plug gone bad, or if it's just hopefully nothing with the block. So we'll put the spark plug back in, and then once it's finger tight, and this thing doesn't mess up on me again.
It's broken.
It's broke, dude. Oh my god, really? You tighten it down a little bit and it keeps bouncing back because it's garbage.
I'll take this, I'll see if I have another one.
So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're gonna do the spark plugs on this, see if that's the issue. If it is the issue, then awesome. But if it's not the issue, then we got some other searching to do, which I don't really want to do it.
Where's the piece?
Yeah, it is. Here, let's see. So you just tighten it down a bit, and then it should stay. Now she wants to do the rest of them. So It's almost like they're all loose. Hey? Stupid hyundais. See, if it was a Nissan or a Mitsubishi or a Chevy, you wouldn't have this issue. Actually, you can't say that about Pontiac because I ripped one out of my parents. Ripped the spark plug literally right out of the block. Had to Healy coil it and everything. Ew. Ew.
It's disgusting.
Look at that. Ew. So, get the new one. Stick it in the hole first.
I can see why it's a
Yeah.
spark plug one.
It's got the little rubber grommet in there.
Let's see if I can.
First, do it with my finger. I always start it with my finger. Start it with my fingers. The neighbors are out. Okay, and then just slowly there. Slightly tighten it. And then you do the next one. Yeah, just a little thread in.
I've actually done spark plugs.
You've never done the spark plugs? What is wrong with you?
I've seen it done.
Yeah.
I've never done it myself.
You know how hard it is for me to sit here and not do it?
Am I doing that right?
Yes. Okay. Now slowly turn it. Good. And then you do the last one. Yeah, but like I said, thank you to all my new subscribers. You guys are awesome. It means a lot that my stuff's actually useful, sort of. I love doing drifting stuff. That's good. So once you get all the spark plugs in, like she just did, you put the wire that properly goes into that and then push it down until it clicks. I'll show you guys what I mean by it when it clicks. No, don't do the next one. This one.
That's the one I was looking for.
Because if you listen, clicks. That means it's it's connected to the spark plug. I think we might have to eventually do wires. Depends. If she even keeps this long enough. That's the one where you're having issues. Let me see. There it goes. Okay, now fire it up.
What else is going on?
Move this crap out of here. It's got the nasty, nasty spark plugs. So, what do you guys want to see in the future? You guys want to see more vlogging stuff? Or do you want to see more car mods? Like I got this new monopod that people have told me go get a monopod. So let's see if it's gonna sputter. Give it a shot of gas like you're accelerating. You're fine. What? No, it's not. Perfect.
So it's not even like...
It's not even vibrating. This motor, before it would shake back and forth. But when we accelerated, do that again. Guys, look at me.
As my hair gets stuck.
As your hair gets stuck. I'll be back, guys. We gotta run down to the store and get some stuff for the kids for school this week. And then we're gonna put up the Christmas lights on the house. So, I'll be right back. But, like I said before, guys, I'm doing a giveaway. Now, in order for you to be entered, I want you to comment down below. Tell me what video I posted, not last Monday, the Monday before that. And if you get that right, I'll enter you into the giveaway. And you have, I want to say, let's say a week. So, today when you see this is Monday. You have until next Monday in order to comment down below. Let me know what movie I uploaded 2 weeks ago. And what happened in the video. And if you're correct, I'll enter you. If not, well, I'm sorry, guys. So, I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Thanks to all of you who have subscribed. It's making my confidence be up there a lot more. I am in the works right now of getting some vinyl stickers cut. I will have those hopefully within, I want to say before Christmas. So if you guys want one before Christmas, or if you want one, comment down below, let me know. They're just gonna have Ignited Garage on it, and maybe it might be my thumbnail picture with a garage with flames above it. Those are gonna be one of a kind. I'm not gonna make them after I do it. I'm not making those stickers again. So I will pick the camera up once we get back. We're running into town and we're gonna go get some Christmas lights, because this year I'm actually excited for Christmas because I'm not moving before Christmas. Last year we moved November, I want to say 30th.
Oh, it's before Grace's birthday.
Well, it would have been this week. Last year we were moving from our old house down here. But moving sucks, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You live and learn, and now I'm back. Yeah, I live with my parents, but oh well. Anyways, I'll pick this up once we get back to the house, so. Okay, well guys, Corrins' car is fixed. It's running better than it was. I think it's just screwed up spark plugs and maybe some bad gas. This thing's all fixed. And then, went and got the Christmas lights on. We only got a strand going up, around, and around the front of the house. So, yeah, this is more of a vlog type thing, but whatever. I'll talk to you guys in a few about the more about the giveaway and how. Well, I've already told you how to enter, so I'll be back in a bit, guys. So, like I said, I didn't want to tell you guys what the giveaway was, but here it is. 25 bucks, Starbucks. You want to enter it? You go to, you gotta do what I said before, is comment on a video, or comment on this video and tell me what video I uploaded 2 weeks ago. Now, I know this video is a little short one, but I just want to thank you guys for giving me 337, I think now. 337 subscribers. It means a lot to me, and I hope I keep growing. So the content's gonna get better because I know my videos are actually being seen now. So I'm gonna end this one here, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Later, guys.